Good hook. Let's get up top.
All teams, Alpha's on the X. What's your status?
Bravo's over the DZ.
Charlie standing by.
Nods on. Strobes on.
Keep it quiet.
Bravo's inbound.
Spotted. All teams, be advised.
Nods on. Strobes on.
Keep it quiet.
Bravo is inbound.
Solid copy. Move to set.
Bravo inbound. All teams, Bravo's on deck, pushing up.
Alpha to Charlie, you set?
Affirm.
All teams, green to go in phase 2.
Check.
Roger.
Moving interior. All clear.
Descending stairwell, south side.
All shooters, be advised. Enemies launching an attack bird.
Copy, we're heads up.
Movement in the courtyard. Looks like a prisoner transfer.
Not our guy. On me. We hold for Charlie to light the fire, then head for the hatch in the courtyard to move interior. Hold up here. All teams, Alpha's in position.
Copy, Bravo set.
Charge is hot. Charlie, good to go.
Fire in the hole. Stand by.
3, 2, 1. Execute.
Shooter, second floor, window.
Run the windows!
Clear. 2-1, rally at the hatch for entry. Waiting on you on the hatch, 2-1.
Enemies incoming. Get underground.
Bravo. Alpha's in the tunnels. What's your status?
Outside the control room, waiting on you.
Copy. At the air duct. Stand by.
All teams, let's roll thunder. Bravo, pull the plug.
Roger. Blackout in 3, 2, 1. Execute. All teams, Bravo's got the keys.
Copy. Target the guards only. Use the inmate for cover when we kick off the riot.
Clear. More in the cell blocks left side. Smoke them. Hold. Stay high.
Bravo,
Bravo's
kick off the
flashlight.
riot.
Roger. Opening blocks 1 through 4. Watch your shots, 2-1. Dead prisoners can't rise. Clear. Check the next cell block. Stay sharp. Guards know where we are. Bravo, open cell blocks in level 2.
Drop them.
Copy.
Let's go.
Open. Contact. Guards above you, Alpha. Clear.
Block is clear. Heading down. them. Let's go.
Contact. Clear.
Block is clear. Heading down.
Down to one. Down to one.
Alpha 1 to Bravo 1. Open 55C. Check.
Alpha moving to sublevel X4.
Contact. Clear.
Alpha moving on sub-level. Let's get our guy.
Ready, breach. Breacher up. Alpha's on target, stand by. Flare. Step into the light.
Сколько же времени прошло, Ваня?
All stations PID on 627.
Copy. Opening 627.
Железный план.
Любой план зависит от его выполнения. Это только начало.
All teams, we have him. Moving in 30. Для меня это большая честь, командир Макаров.
6 лет.
22 дня, 4 часа.
Браток. Рад видеть вас обоих. Тебя тоже.
Что вы добились в этой камере?
Это только верхушка айсберга. All stations, this is your commander, Vladimir Makarov. Call sign Tsar 90 actual. I have the con. Move to phase 3. Out. On me. Vanya, I trust the exfil plan is intact.
Так точно, командир. We head up the elevator and walk out the front door. Probably be in position on the other side of the bridge.
Хорошо. Чем проще, тем лучше. До поры до времени.
Contact! Let's go!
Save your clear on the guard. Nolan, we need to get to the elevator. Move!
Andrei, gear up and let's move.
Противники в раздевалке!
Видишь их?
Лёха, сколько у тебя патронов? Они у шкафчика! Ты видишь цель? Нет, мимо!
Clear.
Alpha 2-1 to Charlie. Actual secure, we're moving to Exfil. Приготовиться.
Alpha 1 ascending an elevator, actual secure. Prep for exfil. How copy?
All stations, topside is hot, topside is hot. Troops in contact.
Copy, stand by. Охрана блокирует право наверху. Задерживаем вертолет.
Скоро поднимутся зэки, чтобы отвлечь охрану. Это наш шанс. Задержка увеличит риск. Андрей, who holds power in this gulag? The guards or the prisoners?
Neither.
Yes, Андрей, very good. Power is held by those who seize it. Молодец, воин. Покажите это своими действиями. За мной!
All stations, we got an MC nest active on the watchtower.
Sartu Raptor, requesting immediate fire on the Tokyo Tower. How copy?
That Raptor's inbound. Raptor's ground. Target acquired. Danger close. Tower.
Sartu Raptor, requesting immediate fire on the Tokyo Tower. How copy?
That Raptor's inbound. Raptor's ground. Target acquired. Danger close.
Copy, range fire.
Shots out. Shots out. Cost 2. Direct. Target destroyed.
Get to the tunnel, that's our exit.
Heads up. The enemy helo is overhead.
Ivan, you should have taken it out when you had the chance. Don't worry, it's focused on the prisoner.
Get to the tunnel, now!
We're clear. Let's go. Charlie, we're coming to you now. Freeze down! Leave everybody! Let's go! Charlie was supposed to handle that helo. If it was a problem, you should have dealt with it. Follow the cliffside to the water. Our boats will provide covering fire. Shooters on the wall. Ignore them. Get to the boat. Есть только преданность! Непоколебимая преданность!
Watcher 1 to Bravo 6, Watcher to Bravo, over.
As well, go for 6.
John, Makarov is out.
Say again, Laswell.
Makarov is out. He's on the move, John.
Abort! Turn us around! Turn us around now!
Shadow 2, Kilo Actual. At the port now. We'll confirm when cargo's in my possession. Stand by.
Roger that, Kilo.
We're good to go?
So far.
This is a game changer.
Let's hope we never have to use them. Intibu Hawale Kong. Stay on comms.
Roger that.
Dina. Farah. أمك منيحة؟ هي قوية مثلك. يلا.
عملت كل شي طلبتيه. حويتك مأمنة والمرسق فاضي، ما في حدا غيرنا.
والمينا؟
مسكر من امبارح.
منيح.
فرح. أنا ما خصني بس
قوليلي.
هالهاوية أكيد كتير مهمة.
أكيد.
بعد كل هالسنين صارت أوزبكستان سالمة. نحن عم نعيش حياتنا. ترجاكي اعملي كل شي بوجهتك نضل هيك. نحن كلنا معك.
ايه أكيد.
حويتك موجودة.
دينا! تبت! تبت!
Echo 3-1. Troops in contact. Kilo's vehicle is down. I say again, troops in the open. Taking effective fire from multiple locations.
Copy that. Hold your position. Shadow 01 to Kilo. Do you read me? Kilo, Vera, give me a copy.
This is Kilo. We were ambushed. Dina is KIA.
It's Coney. They're everywhere, Commander.
The missiles. They're going for the missiles.
We can't let them do that, Vera.
I need weapons.
Look for containers with the Shadow insignia. They'll have what you need to fight Coney.
You were shipping more than just missiles.
Plenty more. Lucky for you.
I'm at the container.
Yeah.
That gear gives you an edge, but there's still an army of Coney between you and those missiles.
I will not allow Coney to steal these missiles, whatever it takes.
We're gonna need a contingency. Commander, I have GPS trackers on my ship. You plant those on the missiles, we'll never lose visual.
I still need to locate the containers. Dina would have known where to find them.
Shipping manifest will be in the harbor master's office.
The tower.
Affirmative.
Copy that.
There's enemy fire! Can't let these missiles slip away. We need the manifest and the trackers. Good takedown, Kilo. Dang a damn beauty. Watch your ass. They'll alert the whole damn port. Good attack, Barrow.
Visual on enemy JLTV. Heading to the tower.
Roger. They're looking for you. Keep it quiet. Could still make a direct play for the missiles. GPS is our insurance policy.
Copy that, Craig. No retreat, no surrender.
Like I said, Fair.
I'll search for the trackers first.
Copy. Your call, Commander. Tony's coming for you, Farrah.
Approaching the cargo ship. Eyes on the sender cable. Made it to the ship.
The tracker should be in the control room on the bridge. Farrah, get out of there.
Got to find the trackers.
Go to the bridge. Check for the trackers in the control room.
Looking for trackers.
Go to the bridge. Check for the trackers in the control room. They're sweeping the area. Stay quiet. Think you're made, Kilo.
Trackers must be around here.
The trackers should be in the control room on the bridge.
Got to find the trackers.
Head towards the bridge. Check the control room. Coney's coming to get you, Farrah. Expect heavy contact.
Nearing the bridge and the trackers.
Trackers won't be hidden. Should be easy to spot.
Trackers acquired.
Great. Now get to the tower and grab that manifest. Stay out of sight. Coney's on the hunt.
Kilo to Shadow. Coney found one of our containers. They're taking it now.
Damn it. That's one missile gone for good. Only 2 left.
If the missiles are all headed to the same location, I can still track them.
Big if, Kilo. Hope you're right. Manifest should tell us exactly where those containers are. Tony's coming for you, Farah. Well, now let's get that manifest before Coney does.
Let's ride! Nearing the tower.
Enemy reinforcements incoming. Don't search blind for the containers. Find that manifest.
Down with the vehicle.
Sat him the fuck down. Come on now, let's get that manifest before Coney does.
Is a cruise missile usually necessary?
You tell me. Coney's on the hunt. Watch your ass out there.
Reach the tower.
Harbor Master's office should be on the 3rd floor. Check there.
Давай за мной.
Be advised, Coney's on high alert. They're coming for you.
Stay low.
Half the dead are Dina's workers. Urzikstan was free of violence. Tony brought it back.
Peace through strength there. It ain't your fault. Think you're made, Kilo? They're looking for you. Keep it quiet.
Does Shadow have unlimited money?
We're well invested.
This must have cost a fortune.
Funds and favors make the world go round, Sarah. You know that.
That's some stockpile.
They say the pen is mightier than the sword. I tend to disagree. Sounds like they found you.
On the third floor near the office.
I'd start with the desk. Manifest should be there. Coney's on the hunt. Watch your ass out there. Thing a damn beauty.
Got the manifest. Graves, sending you the info from the manifest.
Got it. Cross-referencing with our container numbers. Okay. Got all 3 container numbers and locations.
Only 2.
Right. 2. Goddamn ultra-nationalists.
Tell me where to go. I'll plant the trackers on the 2 remaining.
Roger that. Let's get to it. Check the cranes. They may be loading another one of those containers now.
Copy. I'll check high and low and find both. Kilo actual to 3-1. What's your status?
We're holding them off. They got reinforced.
Heading for one of the missile containers. Going for a container! Spotted the container up there.
There's enemy fire! Good kill, Kilo. Перезарядка! Влад! Ты на виду, боец, уходи! Огонь! Двигаюсь! Я! Брось гранату! Кидаю! Удалось зацепиться! Кидай шаг! Проверь боезапас! Ранен? У нас есть потери! Враг продвигается! Куда попал? Пулю! Меняю магазин! Ранен! Fair, they don't see you.
Eyes on the missile container. It's up high. Got to get to it.
container left. You got this, Kilo.
They aren't letting up.
Coney's got serious numbers.
Whoever's funding them has deep pockets.
She does.
Where is this person?
We're working on it.
That's valuable intel.
Yes, it is. Sounds like they found you. Enemy reinforcements incoming. Kilo, plant that tracker. Good takedown, Kilo. Sat him the fuck down.
Container stacked high. Trackers on the container.
They're hunting for you. Stay low. Plant that tracker, Kilo. Step it up. There's enemy fire. They're sweeping the...
All stations, last tracker on. Coney's leaving with both the missiles.
Solid copy. You did what needed to be done, Barra. Make sure you do the rest.
Echo, how copy?
Loud and clear, Farah. Cody's pulling up stakes. They got what they wanted.
We live to fight another day. It's not over.
I go to Kilo. You clear?
All clear. Press up.
Roger. Coming your way.
سامحيني يا دينا. رح خليهم يتفاوتوا من بوعدك.
Commander?
Our missiles were meant to be a deterrent. Peace through strength.
It always finds its way back to this place.
It never left.
Russia wants this country.
They can't have it.
What's next?
Tracking those containers.
I'm coming with you.
No. Take care of our KIA and alert our forces. Tell them Russia's back in Urzikstan.
Shadow Company's got us skin in the game. They're gonna want a piece of this.
True. There's someone else I have to contact first.
Милена,
С возвращением, Владимир.
ты создала для нас армию?
Дело выгодное и правое.
My comrades, we stand reunited! For your efforts in my absence and our success today, I offer you praise. И наказание. Иван, из-за того, что ты отверг мой план, мы потеряли драгоценное время. Время решает все.
Командир, я принял правильное решение.
Каждый несет ответственности за свои ошибки. Андрей, ты доказал свою преданность. Теперь ты моя правая рука.
Спасибо, командир.
My fellow warriors, I wasn't here, but I was always with you. Since then, our enemies have grown stronger. The ULF has stolen back control of Urzikstan. The time has come for us to show them the meaning of true power. This is a battle of perception. A lie flies while the truth only grows. If you control what people believe, you control the world. This is our weapon. And we will use it as a tool of war to restore glory to Russia. The real Russia! The West, they love their choices. They will have only one. To respond on our terms. Каждая секунда на счету.
When Makarov escaped, he mobilized his army on multiple fronts. Kony Group hit the Urzikstan port before sunrise. Farah was there.
She hurt?
Negative. Her team engaged, took casualties. Left Kony with a kill count of her own.
Good on you, Farah. What'd they get from the port?
A shipment of American missiles.
Kony's got their own missiles. What does Makarov want these for?
We need to find out. I'm tracking them now. Once I get a fix, we'll action it.
You said multiple fronts, Laswell. Give us a target.
Kony forces are converging on a nuclear power plant in Urzikstan as we speak.
Is the plant active?
Abandoned when the ULF beat Barkov.
Then what's there?
All four of you, as soon as you can.
Rog, Ghost and I'll recce the plant. Soap and gas secure the perimeter. If Makarov's going nuclear, we'll stop him in his tracks. Solid copy. Let's get after it, Bravo.